In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a mechanical drawing with multiple pages. We will use our king post truss model that we made previously. When we're done, we're going to have something, just a quick sneak peek. Well, something that looks like this. You can see that there's a complete assembly page to start out with a parts list, and the parts are identified with these balloons, and there's multiple pages. All right, so let's get started. Oh, one thing, notice that there's material here. I'm going to show you how to change the material in your design. So let's get started by going to Modify and Physical Material. And there are lots and lots of different materials available. These are popsicle sticks. So what you're going to do, let's just use Douglas fir for the popsicle sticks. Just drag and drop those on top of each one of the popsicle stick components. And then in the miscellaneous folder, there's paper. And I think that's going to be the closest thing to the gusset plates that we're going to use. So again, drag and drop those on all of the components, not just one of them, but all of them. All right, and then you could save it. And it's always going to say user saved, and that's okay. Just hit OK. And now we are going to start our drawing. So let's go to the drop down and go to the drawing environment from design. We're going to do it manual, full assembly, create new, from scratch, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, units is inches, sheet size is going to be A, and we want to do this in portrait orientation. And hit OK. All right, so I don't like this perspective, so I'm going to change it, I think, to top. And it looks like that. That's great. And I'm going to keep it as 1 to 2 for right now. And I'm going to go to, sorry, let me exit out of there. I'm going to go to the projected view. You could just click on this icon, and I'm going to project like that. All right, so let's see. This, I'm going to change the look so it's solid, and I'm going to make it maybe 1 to 3, and I'm just going to put this down here, and I want to have this in all of our corners down here, and I'm going to change the size of this. I'm going to say 1 to 1. That might be too big, but we'll see. All right, this is good for our top page, and I'm going to go to tables now and go to parts list, and I'm going to drag that and drop it right here. And so notice our parts list, it uses the name of our components there. That's why it's really important to give meaningful names to all your components. Now this looks a little bit too big, so I'm going to change the scale again. Let's make it 1 to 2. That looks too small, so maybe I'm going to make it 2 to 3. And I'm going to say close and hit OK. And just kind of center it. All right, you can decide what looks best. All right, so this is good. I'm going to now change my title block. I'm going to change this by double-clicking on it, and then I'm going to change this to truss, and then team, and whatever your team number is. All right, that looks good. And this title of this first page will be, sometimes they're a little tough to click on. I'm going to call this Complete Assembly. All right, this looks great, and I'm gonna finish. Okay, so I'm ready. This is going to be the first page that I look at, so I can understand the complete assembly, and then I'm going to add a new page. All right, so I just added a new page, And I'm going to click on the base view, and I don't like how this looks. I'm going to go top, and oh, I hit escape, not enter. Let me do that one more time. I'm going to go top view. I'm going to just drop this here. I want to make this so it is, let's see, I want to make these 1-to-1. All right, and it might be a little bit too big right now, but that is okay. And visible edges, that's exactly what I want. And I'm going to say okay. Now, I'm going to expand my King Post Truss. And you can see that these are all check marked. For this first one, I want to just show beam 1. So I'm going to uncheck all of the things I don't want, and then I can go ahead and make my other drawings. All right, this looks good. I'm going to also maybe show it like this. I like to have these isometric views solid. I'm going to dimension this just like we always would. All right. Oh, that looks a little bit too far in. Let me drag this back in. There we go. I don't want to over dimension it. I want to be really just show what I need so I can manufacture this. And now you could either dimension this, or you can show this angle. Let's go like that. All right, so this says truss team 00. That's what I want for all of these. I'm going to change this to, I'm still in, I was still in the measure tool. I'm going to change this to be beam 1. All right, that looks good. Finish properties. And now I'm also going to add another base view because I want to add the view down here. I'm going to go top view, and I think we made this 1-to-3 to fit in there. And I want to keep it solid, and I'm just going to drag this. I'm going to say okay, and then just drag this down. Okay. And now I'm going to continue to do this for each of my parts. I just hit the plus every time I want to add a new page. After you finish a page, it's a good idea to save what you've done. King Post Truss Drawing, and then I'm going to call this Team 00, and I'm going to save it. All right. Then when you're ready to turn this in, you're going to export it. You're going to export it, and you're going to create a PDF file. It's going to save to wherever you have listed right here. And so I'm going to save it right now. All right. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you in the next lesson.